whistle goes, they go. Up and over the wooden wall. Going quite quick as well. This looks quite good. The guide, for those of you watching at home, is always, if a sniper can get his first shot away under the minute mark, you know it's going to be a pretty good time, as long as there are no hiccups, of course. Well, we've just gone past 45 seconds. He's got his 4 rounds chambered. Missed the first one though, however, that is the signal for the assaulters to get going. Missed the second as well, exactly the same place. The assaulter's already done, he's rattled through his 8 targets. No problems there. 3 of them are done, 4 of them are done, so all good from the assaulters, but there you see the sniper. He's had a little bit of a nightmare, left it all out. Across the water, comfortably they will carry their colleague round that corner and home. Jedinica of Montenegro. Across the line. Oh, and he's